Hold your breath, folks. We're plunging into the ocean's hidden depths. Imagine a place where the pressure is so intense it can crush steel. That's the reality of the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our oceans, where pressure is over 1,000 times that at sea level. Yet, life finds a way. The deep ocean is home to unique ecosystems, with creatures that glow in the dark and have transparent bodies. One of the secrets to their survival? Marine snow, a constant shower of organic material from above, nourishing these incredible beings. And here's the kicker. Over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. It's the last great frontier on Earth, teeming with mysteries and potential discoveries. So let's keep our eyes and our minds open to the wonders of the deep sea. Who knows what else is waiting to be found?